Hi guys, my name is Anya Schmidt and you know that I teach IB Physics, and the reason I would like to make this announcement is just to encourage you all to sign for IB Physics in my classes. I have some ideas to tell you about physics as the most important subject in the world. No offense to other science teachers. So if you talk about biology or chemistry, and you go to molecular and atomic level, all of it, you'll understand that physics is the birth of everything. So all our world, us, our mind, all was started with the physics laws. So, for example, if you're talking about mind, your electrical signals in the mind make you think, and this is something very important. That's why I wanted to advertise it. And I want to say a quote of Neil Tyson, who is an astronomer, and he's saying that there is no science in this world like physics. Nothing comes close to the precision with which physics enables you to understand the world around you. Astronomy, Neil Tyson has a very good quote. There is no science in this world like physics. Nothing comes close to the precision which physics enables you to understand the world around you. It's the laws of physics that allow us to say exactly what time the sun is going to rise, what time the eclipse is going to happen, what time the eclipse is going to the end. In our IB Physics classes, which is a 2-year course, we do a lot of things, and we are trying to make it fun, even though everybody is so scared of the word physics. But please don't be scared. We have fun experiments, and we are connected with the real world application. For example, our field trip to Track 21 is fun and very informative, and checking and testing the laws of physics in real life application. Water balloon lab, some people knows what it is, and I'm trying to do a lot of labs, as many labs as possible, for us to apply the laws to the real life. So I will encourage everybody, not everybody, but who is interested to sign up for IB Physics classes next year, especially if you go into college and you pursue the career in science, be it a nurse or a doctor or any science or engineering, you need physics, and this is the way it is. So welcome to IB Physics class. Thank you guys. Hi guys, I would like you to introduce the future scientist, future physicist, Preston, and I would like to ask him some questions. So Preston is the first year IB Physics student in my class, and I would like him to share his opinion about the class and what he learned, and just to tell us all about what he thinks about IB Physics.
IB Physics is a 2-year class as part of the IB program offered here at WACE, and I believe HL is offered here as well if you're really into physics, I guess. And so far we've covered classical motion. I believe later we're going to cover wave mechanics, electricity, among other topics. What are the others?
Quantum mechanics and particle physics, which is very important, which is a future of our new computers. So, like I said already, that physics is actually ahead of everything, because if you want to have new technology, you need to be a physicist first of all to know what's going on. So Preston, what was something you would like to learn more in IB Physics class?
Well, this may be just pertinent to me, but I would like to learn more about electricity because that pertains to my extended essay. But a lot of the topics that we've gone over sound genuinely interesting to me, and I'm not reading off a script, I'm serious. I know I'm weird, I actually like physics, but a lot of the topics we're going over are really interesting, and I think it's cool to see how, how the world works and we can really apply this stuff.
Why would you recommend future IB Physics students to take it? Why would you recommend to take IB Physics?
Well, physics is a very general science, I suppose, in that it has applications in a lot of other fields. So depending on what you want to go into and what you want to make your career in, physics could more than likely have an application there. It looks good on your resume nonetheless, even if you just take it as not part of the IB program. And with the IB especially, there's a great emphasis on the applications in the real world and the ramifications of physics in world events, and that can sort of serve to broaden your perspective, I suppose, of the world.
So everybody is saying that people even don't take physics just because they are all scared of the word physics. They didn't know what it is, they don't understand, and that's why they're scared of. How can you explain that this is not something they should be afraid of?
Mm-hmm. Well, physics, by its definition, I believe, is the study of energy. And you know, this is a very general thing, but it can break down to things as simple as, you know, just like speed and distance. And from these, all other higher areas of physics, they all just come back to these really simple concepts